To edit the EveryDollar debt snowball, start by logging into your EveryDollar account and navigating to the Debt Snowball section. The Debt Snowball is a method of paying off debt by focusing on the account with the smallest balance first, while making minimum payments on other accounts. First, review your debt list to ensure all accounts are up to date and accurate. Make any necessary changes to the account balances, interest rates, or minimum payment amounts. Next, prioritize your debts by selecting the account with the smallest balance as the first debt to focus on. If you need to make changes to the order of your debt snowball, click on the debt you want to prioritize and select the option to move it to the top of the list. You can also add new debts or remove paid-off debts from the list as needed. EveryDollar will automatically calculate your minimum payments and the amount you need to pay each month to stick to your debt snowball plan. You can adjust the amount you want to pay each month and the app will recalculate your payoff plan. Best practices for using the debt snowball method include making timely payments, avoiding new debt, and increasing your income to put more money towards your debt. By following these steps and sticking to your plan, you can effectively edit your EveryDollar debt snowball and make progress towards becoming debt-free. Regularly reviewing and updating your debt snowball plan will help you stay on track and achieve your financial goals. By taking control of your debt and creating a plan to pay it off, you can reduce stress and achieve financial stability.